Learn how to multiply. 5 times table. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 equals 45. 10 times 5 equals 50. 11 times 5 equals 55. 12 times 5 equals 60. Now, try to read the words of the correct answers. 1 times 5 equals 2 times 5 equals 3 times 5 equals 4 times 5 equals 5 times 5 equals 6 times 5 equals 7 times 5 equals 8 times 5 equals 9 times 5 equals 10 times 5 equals 11 times 5 equals 12 times 5 equals. Now, try to fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. 1 times 5 equals 2 times 5 equals 3 times 5 equals 4 times 5 equals 5 times 5 equals 6 times 5 equals 7 times 5 equals 8 times 5 equals 9 times 5 equals 10 times 5 equals 11 times 5 equals 12 times 5 equals. If you think you need more time to practice this table, please repeat. But if you already mastered these, please proceed to times 6 or 6 times table. Good luck! Thank you for watching.